Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Let's get right into the video. So today I'll be working with this model. I'm working with this beautiful model. I'll be editing it. The first thing I would love to do is that I would love to clear the skin. You see, as you can see, the skin has a lot of spots. I'll go to the remove. And if you want to know how I clear skin, how to get a very clear skin, you can check my previous video. Because of our time, I'll speed up this process so it will not take long. I think we did a good job here clearing the visible ones. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to retouch the skin to give her a very clear skin, and I'll also be speeding up this process. Check my previous video. I did an in-depth tutorial. We have finally retouched the skin. The next thing we'll be doing is to select our preset. And for this preset, you can use any blue preset. Change the color of the cloth, like this one now. Anyone that look. There are a lot of free preset out there, but the one I'll be using is this one, and I'll be adjusting some settings here. So the first thing I'll be doing adjusting is I'll go to the light, the exposure. I love this. I will leave the exposure to, let me say, around this is fine. Then the contrast, I love the contrast. The highlight, I love the highlights. The shadows, yeah, I love the shadows. Yeah, I love everything here. Then let me go to the curve and the red. Let me take down the red. Let me, yeah. Then the highlight will be taking it down. I don't want the red in the highlights. Then the blue, I'll be doing the same thing there. Okay. I want a little blue in the shadow, so taking it up a little. Then I reduce the blue from the highlights. Yeah. So this is fine. So the next thing, I'll go to the colors, my white balance, then my vibrance. Let me increase it a little to around. Okay, I love it like this. Yeah, I love everything. I'll go to the mix, to my red. I'll reduce it. I don't want it to be 100. I want it 94. Then I love the luminance. Then I'll go to my orange. Let me increase it a little. I want her skin to pop a little, so if you do it too much now, it's not good. So let's leave it. This is fine. Then the luminance, let me brighten up the skin a little. Yeah, this is fine. To my yellow, I mean, this is fine. To my green, yeah, my green is okay too. Then to my light, let me reduce it a little. Let me reduce it a little to around 70. So it's okay. Well, it depends on your choice. You can do it the way you want. Well, this is just my preference. You can choose anyhow you want to, but this is just my preference. And you can use any preset of your choice. You still get the same results. So the next, okay, I think this purple I will reduce it a little. So around 91. Then the luminance, reduce it to around 65 or 66. Yeah, this one is fine. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love what I'm seeing already. Then the next thing we are going to do is our masking. We are going to be adding a little bit of light to because the scene is kind of dark. So if you can see before, this is before, this is after, this is before, this is after you see it. But we are going to be adding a little bit of light to it. So linear gradient, I will add this one. Okay. So the first thing I'll do after adding this, I'll increase the exposure to around 104. Like I said before, it depends on your choice. Reduce the white, reduce the blacks a little. Then go to my color. I want to create an effect, make it look as if there is a blue light there. So, okay, you can adjust it to your taste. For me, I love the light to be hitting on the skin a little, warm and light. You see, it looks as if there is a light coming from there. Yeah. So, and the next thing I'll be doing, I also add another light. I want it to, yeah, I want it to come from here. Okay. Like I said, you can choose any color you want, but this is what I do most of the time when I take pictures of dark skin models. If I don't use my artificial lights, I actually use this one to add more effect to it. So in this one, I will increase the exposure to around 80, 83 or 85. Let's just leave it. Yeah. Then my highlights. Let me check. Okay, my highlight to let me increase it a little to around 30. 30 is fine. Then my whites. Yeah, what I'm just doing is just to lighten up that area a little bit because that's the direction of the sun. So I need the light there to pop. Then my temperature, what I'll do, I'll increase this, give her that golden skin, increase it here, then reduce the tint. Yeah, reduce the tint. Then increase saturation a little. You see? Now we are getting that golden skin we wanted. We are getting that golden skin, but it's too much. So what I will do since it's much, I'll go to my effects. Then the temperature there, I will decrease the temperature. You see? I will decrease it a little. You understand? Then I'll go back there because I feel like it's hitting the skin too much. I'll go back there, then shift it a little bit and make it, let it just touch the skin. You see? You see? So this is now our before, this is our after. You see? One final color I love to add to this is the red. I love to add the red, but a little, not much, just a little. Like I want it to touch from here. I want it coming from here to touch the clothes a little. So first thing I do, I love to reduce the exposure a little, then go back there, increase. Then I love the red, increase the temperature a little. I just want it touching the skin, touching the cloth a little. And what I love doing again is that all the linear gradient I add, I love adding texture to it, because most of the time while you are doing all this, it's taking out the sharpness of the picture. So I love adding texture to all my gradient I use. So this one too, I add a little bit of texture and clarity to it. Okay, so next thing, we are going to add our vignette. We are going to add it. So the amount I'll add in, -40. Let's just leave it around -47. Yeah, then the midpoint is too much, I guess, +40. Let's just keep it +40. Then the feather, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, then I think it's fine. Then we also increase our overall sharpness. The presets also already added sharpness with, but I think it's too much. So I'll just increase it, increase the masking, and then increase detail, reduce the radius a little. Yeah, we've come to the end of the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe, because I'll be dropping amazing content that you will love. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.